Hey there, food enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the world of Chinese cuisine with a popular and delectable dish, lo mein. But before we dive into the recipe, let's uncover some fascinating unknown facts about this versatile and flavorful dish. Let's get started. Fact number 1, lo mein is a staple in Chinese cuisine and is loved for its delicious combination of noodles, vegetables, and proteins. The term lo mein translates to tossed noodles in Cantonese, which perfectly describes the cooking technique used to prepare this dish. Fact number 2, the star of lo mein, of course, is the noodles. These noodles are made from wheat flour and eggs, giving them a slightly chewy and springy texture. They are often boiled and then stir-fried with a medley of ingredients, allowing them to absorb the flavors of the dish. Fact number 3, lo mein is a versatile dish that allows for endless customization. It typically includes a variety of colorful vegetables such as bok choy, carrots, mushrooms, and bell peppers. Additionally, proteins like chicken, beef, shrimp, or tofu can be added to make it a complete and satisfying meal. Fact number 4, lo mein is known for its savory sauce, which adds depth and richness to the dish. The sauce is typically made from a combination of soy sauce, oyster sauce, and other seasonings. The noodles and ingredients are stir-fried together with the sauce, ensuring that every bite is packed with flavor. Fact number 5, lo mein has gained popularity not just in China but also in various parts of the world. It has been adapted to suit different tastes and dietary preferences. Vegetarian and vegan versions are readily available, replacing the meat or seafood with plant-based proteins like tofu or tempeh. The combination of the flavorful noodles, vibrant vegetables, and savory sauce makes this lo mein an absolute delight to savor. Now that we've uncovered the unknown facts about lo mein, let's head into the kitchen and learn how to make this delicious dish. The result is a plate of lo mein that's bursting with flavors and textures. It's a satisfying and versatile dish that you can enjoy as a standalone meal or as a side dish with other Chinese delicacies. I hope you've enjoyed uncovering the unknown facts about lo mein and joining us on this culinary adventure. Whether you're a fan of noodles or looking to explore the diverse flavors of Chinese cuisine, lo mein is a dish that will satisfy your cravings and leave you wanting more. Give it a try and experience the deliciousness for yourself. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating.